Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing good and great wherever you are. So welcome back to another new video. So as you can see here at my background, I have put up a picture of the artist that we're going to react together. So let us react one of his music together, and he is none other than one of the most popular Tangkhul artists, OSHIM SOHO. So he just released one song, and the title of the song is The Best of LOBO Stoney, covered by OSHIM SOHO, PHILAVA Tangkhul Naga version music video. So we all know the Stoney, right? The Stoney song. So this one is in Tangkhul version, titled as PHILAVA. So it is going to be amazing. And I am so sorry. First of all, I'll be speaking mostly in Tangkhul. But I'll try my best to make you comfortable to be with me or to be with us here in the video. So thank you, and let us bear with me and then watch Judy and let us have fun. All right. Let us also share our opinions and feedback in the comment section, and also see our reaction together, right? Then we also see yours, and also as you can see me right now, right? So let us enjoy together and have fun and support. I will put the original video link under the description. Check it out, his channel and the video as well. Let us all support together and let us grow together. So let us have an amazing time. So without further ado, let us dive into the video. So come on guys, let's go. Chỗ si yang remote se earbis le sang khre de earbis mathalak kai sang phang le modular on po ele ka hi. This is the best, this is the original earbis. So this is sounds amazing, right? So yang also let us watch together the video as it is now ready. So let's go. Tangkhul vibes pictures. Soho Yamgui or yeah Yamgui. Wow. He must write the hun yeah hun bad pictures. Woohoo. Come tell show I could. This is my earpiece not upon my shoulder. PHILAVA OSHIM introducing seismic. Lavu seismic the hot red, yeah. Yeah, legacy. Yes, the Hinale and the dress. It's amazing. The place. Wow. That's it. Okay, let's focus once. Akun chaglo the ring bhajang may oshimi. Awi alini jang la we lava ta ngi ngaya la ngana tha de ga ring pha ni mu nai na la ta bishop ni ya ngana tha bishop ni we khon cha la ga ring pha na ye ngana pha na ye apam da yang ga phok tharan da church in ho phok ga ta transition khui no ta apam tha la kam tha ta kap ta le ga in the first observe sa la ga thaya khana the quality has is improved a lot, the video quality, and that is amazing. So let's continue. Whoa. Cậu quay nhỉ hay vậy? Thôi mình quay xin ra nhé. Kìa, cậu quay. The tune, the vibe, it is, the energy is amazing. Yes, PHILAVA. Cultural traits of Tangkhul community. Yeah, very beautiful smile. Lesinadle, ji. Thana yo pon pida leja. Wow. Short pida leja. Thana le lesinai. Lam tha le khư. Same oshim, leshi ko bom ne. arina maling ting ngene ya ra so ai na le from pe maling mai ra no cher bo ai o ai bom ji ya bom ni ka le chang Tangkhul, I really love you. Lyrics. Actually, both sides dress thana le sang được le chỉ khi mà mày hôm mà mày lấy cái thằng le chỉ iwa detail sala bên mà mình thấy tụi cái là vấn sang được le the dress which she is wearing, you know, it looks amazing. Cultural dress of our community, Tangkhul. I don't know all the names, but I know Gong Sang, discussion and all. Not exact name, not the actual name, but as a whole, cultural dress. And you know, when we come out, our Tangkhul cultural dress is always stands out in the crowd. So that's amazing. You know, the dress here, the fashion here is amazing. Okay, let's continue. Hay sai bông tròn khi được lấy ra chúng ta này đấy xin mình ngay đầu gì hey cái chúng ta ra cái đấy Marley, beautiful, lovely, reminds our hometown. Wow, very nice, very nice. The scenery, the place that they chose to make this video, it is amazing. Mr. OSHIM SOHO, PHILAVA OSHIM SOHO. Okay. So guys, how do you feel right now at this moment? You know, for me, the energy I received, the vibe that I get was like, what just happened? You know, everything just stands out. The dress, the music, the, you know, everything, the scenery, everything stands out. So fantastic, right? One of the greatest songs turned into Tangkhul version and delivered so well. That is amazing. I hope you like it. Nothing the ninjang so the shit sang the li. Ntana the san yeri the kui iba. Even ninjang line na hui kai. Jenna iba satisfied sana ye. Ari that the tung ningurum naga react sang naga that the young naga. Ngan na go kui something the re. I'm so glad to have this time with you. You know, react together. So this is amazing. This is amazing. So please do check out the original link and the video which I have given under the description without fail, and also subscribe his channel as well if you don't sub the channel yet, and also hit the button subscribe of this channel. That would be fantastic, right? Thank you for always supporting. So lastly, to the artist OSHIM SOHO, OSHIM, if you are watching this, salute you and to your team. Matanga insan miere ning shinaire for bringing this into media platform and letting us listen to your song. This is so amazing. So thank you, and thank you guys for watching with me, for reacting with me. So see you again in the next video. Stay tuned. Peace out.